I'm with another cook doing some chicken wings. So let's get this going. See, I need to adjust it a little bit because it keeps dropping slightly, so to have a look at that. But for now, let's get this going. So cleared it out, we'll put some fresh coal in. Got the old kitchen blowtorch, just makes it easier. Right, we're ready to go. And your wings, got all over the... Yes, so got some good flames going. So let's get all these coals, let's get them all engaged. That one's there. That's it. Oop. Get that, buddy. Get one there. Good. Right. We are going. So let's get everything loaded up. So going for deflectors in. So let's cook. Deflectors in. This to about conquer down there. Like so, and in. Now get these racks in. Oh no, so I like to have it. These there, the little nibbins. I like to have them there, so that goes there. That goes there. Right, we are ready. Let's get this closed. We're up to temp. Let's get these baddies on. Oh, flip it. There we go. Oh no. Yep. Right, so I'm going to go around the edge because it's going to get a bit more crisp to it. So the heat coming up around the sides. A bit of sizzle when they're going on. Nice and hot. So I've got some Korean sauce that I've made earlier, just with a bit of vinegar, a bit of apple cider vinegar, some sriracha sauce, a bit of butter, some honey, some sesame oil, and a bit of sugar. So that's just going to cook on the hob in a bit. It's just going to warm it through, and then we're going to keep glazing these wings. Right, done. Let me just show you them actually. Let me just show you these good up. So they're going. Yeah, we can put Sonic on. Let's have a check of these. Nice. See if I can flip. What's going on? We got this Korean sauce that I spoke about earlier. It's just been simmering on the hob. I'm going to give these guys a bit of a glaze. Right, it's been a few minutes. Oh, look like glaze. Right, let's get these flipped. We are done. Oh, look at it. That looks so good. Look at it. How many more? 1, 2. That's right. Right, let's put that there. Let's close this. Done, eh? So that's the wings. Just put a bit of extra sauce on. They are looking delicious.